Alright, so I picked up a screw in the tire. It's in there somewhere. Anyhow, I'm going to pull this tire off. There it is. Look at that beauty. Alright, I'm going to pull the tire off. See how this goes. I started with the chain guard. There were 4 bolts. There's one there. One nut goes up in there, or bolt goes up in there. 2 down in there. They were Torx 30 and a 6mm wrench on that one there. Okay. So next it says to pull this off. I've got the 32mm socket. All my days of working on Volkswagens have given me all these beautiful big tools for that shit. Pull this nut off of here. And, oh, off it comes, nice and smooth. I did not disconnect that. It might want me to, but not going to. Alright, pause this for a sec. Alright, next thing, going to loosen up this with a 13mm. I'm going to pop that loose. I already did it, so it's going to look easy here. Then, basically the chain tensioner is what I call it. Loosen that up. This is so I can pop this wheel forward and get this chain off of here. So I'm going to go ahead and just skip that and do it. Alright, so how I did that is I just pulled this over, started rolling it off there, and there it is. Out of my way. Alright, see what the book says next. Alright, so I believe I just need to pop that spindle out. So I gave it a shove and it worked its way, moved real easily. So here it's coming out on this side here. Not sure how well I can do this with one hand. Let's see what happens here if I... Yeah, easy money. So that spindle just pulled right out of there. My wheel has dropped to the ground. And there's my brake. Floating there. Let's figure that out. Slides right by. There we have it. The wheel is off in just a few simple steps. I did not loosen that side for the wheel alignment. Didn't seem necessary, and it wasn't.